Hey guys, welcome back. Today's just a new video on a CNC machine project I'm taking on here. I've watched the Shapeoko machines develop throughout the years and Inventable, and living in Chicago, you know, I always thought it'd be cool if I ever did get one, I can just get one from Inventable's local. This is the first generation Shapeoko. I got it secondhand. I'm going to talk about it in a second here, but you know, I have my own commercial type router here with 25mm ball screws and rail carriages and stuff like that. Of course, I got the blue-white laser. So today I'm going to do a series of videos getting this thing running. There's no controller. It's all wired up, ready to go with motors, 23 NEMA 23 motors, and I'm going to put a Chinese driver board on it until I get my hands on a Gecko. I'm running a Gecko drive on that one. So, but a little bit on this one, history is these are 35-inch long maker slides. You know, the typical Shapeoko with the slides. I'm not the biggest fan on V-bearings at all. These are the same type of design. You see all these eBay lasers popping up, these Chinese lasers that you see on my channel also. Same type of setup, a little more beefier because of the NEMA 23 motors. So what he did on this one, he widened it up. This center bar here, front and back, is 21 5/8 wide. And then these are 35 inches front and back. So you're getting about 18 inches, a little bit over 18 inches, I think, for the Y. And you're getting like 24, 5, 6, like 28 inches when I measured it. Back and forth. So yeah, I mean, I'm not a big fan of V-bearings. Guy at work gave me too good of a deal to pass up, and I bought a mill from him before, and great guy, so he just gave me a good deal, and I figured, you know what, we'll have fun on it. We'll put one of those DC brush motor spindles on here. I have one, I just got to get a driver. And then we'll use our drag knives, because then we can do, you know, large LED signs, you know, like the ones you see up there. We can do those large size, you know, 1824, the whole thing. You know, these machines, you know, aren't really that great for the flex. You can see that Z flexing a little bit there. These aren't made for aluminum. I see guys doing videos with them. They're not made for aluminum. Can you do it? Probably yes. But you know, between bit deflection and this, you're not gonna mill deep per pass. You know, even on wood, you would strain if you went too fast, too deep. So, but can it do it? Yeah, sure, it could do it within passes, even 3D. You can do all that. He had attached to this board. It's like an 8-ply board. I don't know what it is, but then he put the nuts. What do you call it? The one-way. I forgot what they're called. The nuts on the other side of the board, so you could screw down. Eye bolts, maybe. I'm not sure what they call them. But yeah, so that's how he set it up. Just like this with the motors. Looks like they're 4-wire motors. Of course, this motor is wired up to the other motor, so it shares the drive. It's going to get a good cleaning, but like there's debris in the wheels, which is one reason why I don't like machines like these for any kind of wood milling or anything like that, because you get particles on these little slides, and these wheels could jump or stall out. I've seen them in a lot of videos do that. You know, if you got a small dust collector, you can avoid that, and it'll help you. I run a dust collection system on here on this one, so just a cheap Harbor Freight one. So, but I think it would be a good video to do a series on getting it going. For the price, like I said, I just could not pass it up. It was a steal. You know, even if I just get it running just to sell to somebody that wants to get involved, that would be great too, because you know, I'm passionate about CNC. So if I can get, you know, other people involved, that'd be great. My son's already helped me do stuff on that router and my laser and stuff. You know, I've got a vinyl cutter. I've got a full sign shop. You know, I do clocks like these here. That's what I do, and LED signs, stuff like that. But it would be I won't do any aluminum. I think that's just ridiculous, because that has zero flex. The rigidity is superb on that one. So I do all my aluminum milling on there. But I can do probably fiberglass, some wood. But what I like to do, I'm going to try out, is do a lot of 3D milling. I don't really do 3D milling on there at all. I mean, I'm strictly doing aluminum on that. That's what I'm doing. LED signs, etching, we could do that with this. and maybe get a diode laser and hook up a laser to it. So that'll be a later project. So I'm gonna do a series of videos, just getting it going, explaining what I'm gonna do, what driver I'm gonna use, because honestly, I want to use Mach 3. That's my goal here. Well, it's not gonna be an issue, but I want to be able to use Mach 3 with the diode laser. So it's gonna be a little bit of a project. I have experience with a little bit of Raspberry Pi and the Arduino stuff, but on my other ones, you've seen all the videos. I'm not really into the CNC Arduino Raspberry Pi scene. I'm just not. I like old school stuff. You know, even the UC100 USBs are okay, even though they get latency problems and they disconnect. That one runs off parallel port, and I'll never change that because it's always been 100% perfect. I've never had a problem. I love the parallel port. I know it's old computer. I know it's, you know, it's not state of the art, but it does what I need. You know, that's all that's important. This one, I'm also going to run the TB boards, but I might run the UC100 on this just to use it for USB. But again, I did test in the past, and you've seen some old videos that UC100 can disconnect it sometimes in the middle of a job, and then you get screwed up. So, but just show you the video of the machine. It's fairly decent size, not your typical Shapeoko small footprint, you know. And like I said, he's got it mounted to this nice sturdy milled table and it's surfaced here. So what I was also thinking about doing is just getting a vacuum table put on here when I do my LED signs. So, but cool. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep up to date on the build progress as I rebuild this and get it going. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you want to see anything CNC related, anything RC10 related, you know, just send me a message, guys. All right. Thanks.